Welcome back, guys. I think HOTO has outdone themselves with this new electric screwdriver, as in they took a page from Apple's design philosophy. I mean, just look at the packaging alone, and then the fact that it's full of neat tricks like this real-time display of torque. It's called a PixelDrive and retails for $80 on their website. Packaging and branding is minimal yet effective, and you get a user's manual and a charging cable. At first glance it looks like a futuristic speaker or thermos. Until you start to unscrew the top cap, you start to appreciate the modularity, reminiscent of the rocket booster technology in spacecrafts. Inside the first cylinder we have an inner rubber sleeve to protect the screwdriver alongside the first 10 bits. These are standard height with clear markings, while the retention is excellent with no fear ever dropping. The middle cylinder houses the next 10 bits, which are longer for the extra reach. The same goes for the last and third cylinder with plenty of padding as well. So in total we have 30 bits, from which 20 are the longer format. The cylinders slide into each other like so, and they make a perfect cocoon for the screwdriver with no rattle whatsoever. Right, now for the star of the show, the PixelDrive cordless screwdriver. The name of course comes from its compact but very useful display. It weighs around 317 grams or 11 ounces. It's very easy to manipulate and hold thanks to the extra grip grooves at the back and its overall texture. It's powered by a 2000 mAh battery, which is rechargeable via Type-C. Charging time is around 2 hours, and again the display comes in handy. It offers up to 6 levels of torque from 0.5 Nm to 6. This chart does a great job explaining where you would require the modes. For me personally, it will speed things up dramatically whenever I build a computer or assemble any small furniture. Thanks to its magnetic standard chuck, I can attach any bit that I need for the extra reach, for example like these sabered impact ones. The interface is dead easy, just rotate the top selector, which has a firm tactile feedback. It even features 2 RPM modes. A light press on either the direction buttons will do 80 RPMs, whereas a full press will trigger the 200 RPM mode. As you can see, the display will inform you of your current torque settings and the current battery status when you start using the screwdriver. Finally, the ring light is a no-brainer and a lifesaver. Overall, I'm really impressed with what HOTO has achieved here since their previous model, which I reviewed on the channel as well. A massive upgrade across the board. It's one of those tools that you enjoy using every time, and thanks to its clever packaging, it doesn't waste any space for its accessories, so in return you'll carry it more often. At the moment I don't see or discovered any immediate design flaws or malfunctions, so I will keep you updated as I go and see how the plastic latches for the cylinders will last after repeated usage. As always, thanks for watching, and do you use any electric screwdrivers?